Packed with flavor, nice crispy skin, delicious, big bold flavors, few ingredients, outstanding. Hi guys, today I'm making Alton Brown's smoked paprika chicken thighs stuffed with olives on a bed of potatoes and onions. Outstanding dish, really simple to prepare, very few ingredients and really big bold flavors. Make sure you try this one. Watch this video till the end, you're going to like it. Outstanding. Alton Brown smoked paprika chicken thighs with potatoes and onions. This couldn't be simpler. We've got some onions, some potatoes, some chicken thighs, some garlic, some smoked paprika and some olives. Right, let's get straight into it. Right, my oven's preheating. I'm going to get started with my marinade. We're going to go with some smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons, followed by some olive oil and some granulated garlic, a good pinch of salt and a generous amount of pepper, and just give this a stir so it creates a nice paste. Right, just look at that beautiful, thick, rich, dark color. It's almost like a paste. Beautiful. And that's just packed with smoky flavor, and that's just going to impart all over our chicken. Right, onto our olives. I've got these beautiful green olives here, which are stuffed with Spanish peppers. Love these. And we're going to stuff our chicken thighs with these. Right, we're just going to give our olives a nice chop to create like a tapenade. Right, these olives are packed in flavor. They're just going to give the whole dish like a real lift and like an olivey kick. Okay, my olives are chopped. Let's go in with our garlic. So I've used two small cloves of garlic, which I'm just going to mix into the mix. I'm just going to add a touch of lemon juice, just a little bit, and just give this a little dressing on the board. Right, stuffing's ready, marinade's ready, let's get our chicken. Right, I've got 4 chicken thighs, which is my favorite part of the bird. Deep, rich flavor, and these are bone in and skin on. So I'm just gonna leave the bones in. I'm not gonna debone these today because that's all flavor, and these are getting baked in the oven, so it's fine. Okay, so before I do anything, skin side up, I'm just gonna sprinkle generously with some salt, pepper. Okay, let's pop our chicken on this plate here and get marinating. And start by just generously topping your marinade onto your chicken, skin side up. Just get your hands in there and just make sure every part of the bird is covered with this beautiful, rich, pasty, smoky paprika marinade. You can really pick up that smoke. Right, give them a flip, meat side up, and just top them with this smoky marinade again. Don't waste any of that marinade, get it all in there. Right, our chicken thighs are marinated beautifully. I'm just going to wash my hands and then we're going to stuff these babies with the olives. Right, let's stuff our chicken thighs. So I'm going to flip these over so the skin side up. And you just want to basically just find a pocket under the chicken skin here and get some of your olives and just place them underneath there. And make sure you've got a nice amount of olives for each chicken thigh, but no need to overstuff them. It's quite big, bold flavors, so a little bit goes a long way. And just tuck them in and just push that in so it spreads. Right, our chicken is marinated, stuffed, it's looking wonderful. It's ready to go in the oven. Let's quickly prepare our onion and our potatoes. Right, I'm just going to thinly slice my potatoes. Skin on. And you don't want these too thick because you want them to cook at the same time as the chicken. And we're going to do some slithers of onions. While potatoes and onion are prepped, let's get this in the oven. Right, I'm going to place a little bit of olive oil just on my dish, just to make sure nothing sticks, get it all going. Bit of encouragement. And just something I do just as a little habit is I always season the pan before something goes in the oven with the olive oil. This creates a little bit more flavor. And I'm going to go straight in with my potatoes and also our onions as well. So potatoes and onions in, and just give them a good mix together. Make sure everything's kind of looking good. Potatoes and onions are looking perfect. You want a nice flat layer like that. Let's get our bacon tray on top. Our chicken's going to be placed on top of the bacon tray, and as this cooks in the oven and as it bakes, the chicken fat is going to drip off the chicken with that smoked paprika, and it's going to cook with the potatoes and the onions, and that's why this dish is so amazing. Right, let's go straight on with this delightful chicken. Wonderful, that's going in a preheated oven on a gas mark 7 for about 20 minutes. Let's do this. Right, in she goes. Right, our chicken's been in for about 25 minutes. I think it's ready, let's go and check on it. The aroma is just beautiful, this looks perfect. Right, our chicken is out of the oven, the skin is beautifully crispy, that paprika and the fat has kind of dripped off onto the potatoes. And the best thing about it is the aroma in the kitchen is just pure smoked paprika, it's outstanding. Right, I'm just going to give these potatoes a little stir just to make sure that they've all got a bit of that smoked paprika on them. Look at the colour. So what I'm going to do, this isn't in Alton Brown's recipe, but I like to do it. I'm just going to chop up some basil, fresh basil from my garden. Just sprinkle that on. I'm sure Alton Brown wouldn't mind us pimping up his dish slightly. Right, I'm happy with my potatoes. Let's start plating up. I'm going to lay down a bed of these beautiful potatoes. This is so rustic, but so good. And we're just going to top this with our beautiful crispy paprika chicken. Wonderful. I'm just going to break off some basil. I just add it to the final dish. Just going to give a hit of pepper to the final dish, just to liven it up a bit. And that is my perfect smoked paprika chicken thighs on a bed of potatoes and onions. So simple. Right, let's get stuck in. Guys, before I try this, I just want to say if you enjoyed this video and if you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you want me to try a particular ingredient or a particular dish, then leave it in the comments below, I will do that. And make sure you hit the notifications bell, that really helps us. Right, let's get stuck in. Right, straight into this beautiful chicken. So juicy. That skin's so crispy. I want a bit of potato with it as well. Get a bit of everything, so I've got some olives, some onions, some potato, and some chicken, and some skin. So this is one of those dishes, right, where every component works perfectly together. Smoked paprika, chicken thighs, crispy skin, olives, touch of garlic, potatoes and onions. So simple, all done in the oven, but everything works together. This is what cooking is all about. Really simple, really delicious. So happy with this, and these potatoes, something else. Right guys, please try this at home, step by step, exactly how I've shown you. The ingredients are in the descriptions below. You've got to try this one, it's so simple. Guys, this isn't just delicious, it's absolutely effing delicious. Stunning.